everyone, ZedRunner DIY Detailer here. Just a micro video, just another possible hack. Found a little set of clips, plastic clips online, ordered them, they finally turned up. I want to show you what they are. You might remember the little IKEA 50p bucket caddies. I wanted them a little deeper, and I wanted some way of holding the brushes securely as well. And I think I might have found a decent option, so let's have a look. So these are, as I say, multifunction hose holders, or siphon hose holders. The diameter of them and the fact they clip quite firmly onto the side of a tank for some hose is pretty cool. They're adjustable diameter as well, or width. So this could be the mustard. Let's have a look. Oh, let's go look at a wash bucket. These are my wheel rinse buckets. But the principle is the same. So my suggestion is they clip on the outside. They're reasonably firm, not as tight as I'd like, and the brush just holds in. And you can make those a little tighter. So if you want, you can drop your brush in. And that is the large wheel rim held in place. It might move side to side, but it's not going to tip out, and the wheel well is not going to fall out. Easy to use, in and out. Let's try it with a smaller wheel well. And here's the little one. And again, just want to pull out anywhere you can, get a few of these, make that a little smaller. Look at that. Because of the size of them, and you can alter how wide these grips are, you can make it fit even your detail brushes. So how easy it is to put them in. Those are good. Nice firm fit. Hey! Look at that. The perfect brush hack. Those are the mustard. So I'll put a link down in the description as to where I got those from. They're cheap. It took a while to turn up. I think they're from China. But there you go. Perfect. Thanks for watching. See you soon.